here with another pre-flight walk around. Today we are doing a Piper PA38 Tomahawk. Let's get into it. So we're here behind the left wing. We're going to check the flaps, give them a little wiggle. Usually I'll push them by hand all the way down. Today I won't. Check the aileron. Look inside the aircraft for yoke movement. Check the navigation lights. Check underneath the wing for any dents, and make sure the pitot cover is off. I'm not going to pull it off right now, but just make sure it's off when you're flying. Check the stall horn, give it a little wiggle. Check fuel. Check the hydraulic fluid right inside this little panel. Check the propeller spinner and propeller. It's new. Check the main wheel, or the front wheel. Give it a little kick. Take off this cover now and check the oil. Okay, we're here at the right wing. Check the fuel. Decide which tank you're going to use for the flight. Check the top of the wing. Make sure there's not a whole lot of dents. Check the nav light. Check underneath the wing. Do the same thing with the aileron. Check inside the plane for yoke movement. And what is going on? Okay, never mind. Check the flap. This seam is really important. Check this seam. This is what holds on the entire tail, is this seam. So make sure it's stable and clean. Check the pitot static hole. Check in here. Give these a little push, give the linkages a little push. Check in here. Same thing. Now, since the rudder is connected to the front wheel, you don't want to move it too much. And it says don't push, so don't push on it. You can give it a little wiggle, make sure it's not free. Check the pitot static, the other hole. Check this side of the seam like I was telling you. And we're here back on the left wing. And when you're checking your fuel, I recommend, well, what you should do is check your tire and brake. This tire's a little bald, so I check it out. And obviously do the same thing. Sorry about that. Check this tire. You can see this tire is a little better. And that is our pre-flight walk around of the P38 Tomahawk here at Aerosal.